In this tutorial, we're going to take a quick look at how you can move, pin, or hide your contextual taskbar in Adobe Illustrator, and also how you can get it back if it disappeared. So here in Adobe Illustrator, we have this contextual taskbar. Now, it can be anywhere. When you start your program, it's usually somewhere along here. If it's missing though, you can go to Window and then here in Contextual Taskbar, you make sure that it's ticked off. If I untick it, my Contextual Taskbar is missing. So if you don't see it and you want to have it, you can go to Window and then choose Contextual Taskbar. Now, moving around is easy. Just click this bar here and drag it to where you want to have it. If you, for example, want to have your contextual taskbar fixed in this place, you can click these three dots and then choose to pin the bar position. You can also hide it by clicking the three dots and choosing Hide Bar. Now your bar has been hidden and you don't see it anymore. And if you want it back, you can go to Window and choose Contextual Taskbar. And then if it's acting up and not doing what it's supposed to do, you can also click these three dots and then choose to reset the bar position. And now it's going to the place where it's supposed to be. So this is the default bar position. And these three dots also give you a quick help option. And you can also activate your properties panel by clicking there, but it was already visible, so it just highlights here where my properties panel is. But yeah, this contextual taskbar gives you multiple options. You can pin it by clicking these three dots. You can reset the bar position and you can hide the bar. And as always, if you don't see it and you want to have it back, you can go to Window and then choose Contextual Taskbar. And that's how you can easily move, pin, or hide and bring back your contextual taskbar in Adobe Illustrator. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.